Find the distance of point, this point, from the plane. Equation of plane is this, parallel to the line, this. Find the distance of the point from the plane parallel to this line. A line is given here. A line is given here. This is the equation of line. And the drs of this line is 2, 3, and -6. Drs are these. And any line parallel to this line, from A, we will draw a line up to the plane parallel to this line. Then this line, the drs of AN will be same as the drs of this line given. Point is here. Now this is the equation of plane. Now equation of line, this line, passing through the point and parallel to the equation 1. This line is parallel to equation 1, this line. Then the equation of this line will be x minus x1 upon A, y minus y1 upon B, z minus z1 upon C. This equal to R we will consider. Now we will find any point on this line. Now we will find any point on this line. That will be 2r plus 1, 3r plus 2, 6r plus 3. 3r, it will be -2. Now suppose this point is N. This point is N. Then this point will satisfy the equation of plane. Then we have satisfied here equation of plane. This value, put this x, y, z in this equation. Then we will get the value of r 1/7. Then put this r here. Then we will get the point N. Now finally we have to find the distance. Find the distance AN, the distance between two formula. After solving this, we will get the result 1 unit.